Action.
Question number 1. What is this method called where you could solve a binomial by a binomial fastly? A. FOIL method. B. Weierstrass method. C. Einstein method. D. Lattice method.
Okay.
Okay. Your answers are A and A. The correct answer is Maurice.
A.
I thought it was C.
Sabihin mo siya na una. Sabihin mo siya
Okay.
ano.
First, the one who got the point was King Kebal. Okay, second question. What is the answer in the equation? The quantity of 5x to the third power times the quantity of 3x. Go. Okay. The first one to raise was Simeon. And the answer is 15x to the fourth power. Simeon, 1 point. Kebal, 1 point. Okay, question number 3. What is another way to solve a trinomial by not using the distributive property method? A. Spoil method. B. Lattice method. C. Inverse method. D. Fink method. Go! B yan! Sabi ko na yun. And the answer is B. The lattice method. Woo! Kebal, 2 points. No, sino? Simeon, 1 point. Simeon is doing very badly. Alright, on to the average round. Okay, and the fourth question is, what is the answer to the question? Solve it. Okay? The quantity of y plus 10 times the quantity of 4y plus 20. Faster. I want to
5, 4,
3,
3,
1.
2, 1. 1 and
failed.
Let's do commercial.
And no one got it right. They were too slow. Weaklings. They're too late. And your answer is also wrong. Okay, since Kebal got it right, we will give him a chance. Okay. And now, Kebal, 3 points. Simeon, 1 point.
Average lang na, diba?
He is very weak.
Average lang.
Fifth question. Solve it. The quantity of 5y plus 30 times the quantity of 6y minus 20. You have 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Tagal lang 1.
1 half. 1 third. 1 fourth. 1 seventh. 1 tenth.
120.
Plus 5 seconds. 5, 4,
Mababagal nyo!
3. Okay, let's check Simeon's answer. 30y to the second power minus... you're wrong. So very wrong. So weak.
Let's
And
check
Kebal, let's
Kings.
see. We're both incorrect. Weaklings.
Oh.
The answer was 30y to the second power minus 80y minus 600. Fools.
Nobody gets a point.
Nobody gets a point. The score is still Kebal 3 and Simeon 1. Such pitiful people. Okay. Fifth question. Now back to our scripted game show. Okay. Solve for the equation. The quantity of 50 minus 30y times the quantity of 10y minus 10. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's check your answers.
Saan mo na?
Simeon, your answer is 810y minus 190. You failed.
Ay,
Okay.
nga, dapat may point na siya, dapat siya may...
No.
Ilagay ko, I don't know eh.
Okay, let's check your answer. 500y minus 500 minus 3,100y. And your answer is... Wrong.
Ano sagot?
Ano sagot?
Taas kasi. Saan mo na gumawa niya? Nataas ang number.
It's like...
Yung may-ari ng laptop. Sino ba may-ari ng laptop?
Hello, audience. As you can see, it's like our contestants weren't even taught by Mr. Zabala.
Kaya pala 30y, akala ko 31.
Akala mo lang yung...
Mali ka mali!
Ulit ang
Sabi mo
question.
31.
31 minutes.
Our contestants don't know how to listen. On to the 6th question. Okay, so number 6, 3, that's the quantity of 3a minus 2 times the quantity of 4a to the 2nd power plus 5a plus 4. Go. This is boring. Faster, Simeon. And Kebala Sundo gives up. And answer is 12a to the 3rd power plus 7a to the 2nd power plus 22a plus 8. And Simeon gets 5 points.
Oh yeah.
And since we found out that Kebal actually makes wrong question and answer matches, he gets minus 2 points. Current score, Simeon 5, Kebal 1. You're lucky I didn't make you negative 5. Okay, last and 7th question. A true or false question. Wow, so difficult.
For 10 points.
In dividing polynomials, the exponents of same variables are... There's a security alert. Someone been loud or did naughty stuff. True or false? In dividing polynomials, the exponents of same variables are subtracted via the product law. And the answer is... True.
Oh.
I don't like Simeon. Okay, Simeon gets 1 point. And Kebal plus 5. Alright, score is now tied to 6. Tiebreaker. Alright, the fastest one to write my last name wins. And Kebal wins. Thank you for watching, audience.
Introduce ka ulit. This is my...
This is Luis de la Cruz, your host.
Dougie, fresh like 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 Dougie, fresh like. Okay, take a look at my swagger. So on point, feeling sharp as a dagger. When it come to fresh look, homie, I'm a vet. Chain round my neck, make you haters upset. Bad boy like my homeboy Puffy. Skinny jeans on, feeling fresh like Dougie.
So this is what's happening in King's house.
Wait.
We're watching Psych. Anong episode yan?
Totoo pa rin ano ito. Niloloko lang.
Ayun, yung host namin.
Huwag sabi nito totoo yung priest.
Ha?
Huwag sabi nito totoo yung priest.
Naposes lang.
Ito si Guitar God. Sungod yung sample.
Ito yung madaling solo.
Ano yan?
Kaya,
Malong, sabi mo madali.
yun yung madaling solo sa kanta na yan. Hindi.
Madali na yan?
Madali para sa kanta na yan. Yung mahirap yung mamaya.
Okay, we're here at King's house shooting our project. And napansin nyo, wala ako dun sa game show masyado. So ayan, nandito ako. Ako kasi yung cameraman. Hi, Chozon.
Okay, ito na, yung pinakamahirap na solo.
I'm so sorry.
Look who's talking.
You're not necessary.
Okay,
Nakita tayo?
bye.
Ito na.
I want to go see some
Si
feelings.
Don King. Ito mayaman to.
The signature.
Puro Apple products.
It's a
Hindi, ito na may hawak ng cellphone. iPhone 5.
beat the bars in the graveyard of Godric's Hollow.
Sabi nyo kayo, magaya kayo kay Mr. Zabala. Magaya kayo kay Mr. Zabala.
Sir, dapat mataas grade ah.
Look,
Ginawa namin
you've got
for
to do
10
this
hours.
since
Hindi
you
naman
moved away.
Okay, we're walking around King's Village. Here's King. Here's Louise. Here's me. So, yeah. So where are we going? Here. Okay. Saan tayo? Dito. Okay.
Chelsea, maraming aso.
Bye.
Daming pilihan dito.